What's going on, my beautiful people? Richard Harrison here with another video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about 3 reasons why you should join my econ in 2019. Okay, so before I get into the video, I want to thank all of my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified of other videos that I do. Okay, and if you have just subscribed, I want to welcome you to my channel and I humbly thank you very much. Okay, so now let's get into the 4 reasons why, 3 reasons why you should join my econ in 2019. Number one, if you look at your paycheck when you get paid and you see that the government is taking a lot of money out of your check and you get upset every time you see it, I want you to understand something. They're not taking it from you, you're giving it to them. Okay, simply put, I didn't realize that in the beginning, but I didn't know what I didn't know at the time. The government states that 80% of Americans are overpaying in taxes, and if you get a refund at the end of the year, every year you're overpaying in taxes. So how do you stop overpaying in taxes? You revisit your W-4 form and get your W-4 form filled out correctly, which has the potential to put more money back into your paycheck. In essence, you're giving yourself a raise without even asking your boss. People are struggling every day, living paycheck to paycheck, simply because there are too much taxes being taken out of their check. Not only that, not to mention if you have benefits, okay, we can't do anything about that. The only way you can do something about the benefits is simply you just don't get them, but we all need the benefit. But you can do something about the amount of taxes that are being taken out of your check by the government, okay? It's simple. Revisit your W-4 form, okay? Get your W-4 form filled out correctly. We show you how to do that step by step inside of my econ. Matter of fact, it's the first strategy that anyone who joins my econ should apply, okay? Once you get that W-4 form filled out correctly, depending upon your situation, that's going to determine the amount of money that you get back into your paycheck. Now, it varies from person to person. Okay, what I got back, you may not get back. See, when I did my W-4, I was able to get $400 back per month into my paycheck. Okay, you may only get 200, or you may get 100, or you could get 5 or 6. It all depends upon your situation. If you're married, it depends upon y'all's situation. Okay, you got to understand that. So I can't promise you that you're going to get $1,200 back because I don't know your situation. Only you know that. But if you are getting upset every time you get paid, each paycheck, I don't care if it's weekly, bi-weekly, every 2 weeks, or once a month, and they're hitting you hard for that, remember, they ain't taking nothing from you. You giving it away, and you can stop giving it away by redoing your W-4 form again and put that money back into your household. Okay, that's number one. Number two, you can use that money however you want, but inside of my econ, we highly suggest that you use that money to start eliminating your debt. Okay, start paying off that debt, start paying off the credit card, start paying off the loans, start paying off your house note. Look, if you're into that check cash and stuff, it ain't nothing but a cycle. I don't care if you get paid every week, it's just a cycle, because every Friday you got to go back in there. You either gonna pay them off and stop doing it, or you're gonna have to write another check to get the money back to keep doing what you're doing, because you're behind on bills, you're in debt. And look, that's a cycle not easily broken, okay? But if you apply the first strategy, you can put a stop to that, okay? Start eliminating your debt, okay? It's a shame that how many people in America are in debt simply because we don't know what we don't know. I did not know about the W-4 form. I mean, I knew about it and I thought I was filling it out correctly, but I come to find out I didn't have it filled out correctly. My wife didn't have it filled out correctly. But now that we know better, guess what? We do better, okay? So that's another reason why you should join my econ in 2019. Number three, fix your credit. If your credit is jacked up, it's just jacked up. It's nothing to be ashamed of. A lot of Americans credit credit is just jacked up. And you got some people that just don't care. But maybe you watching this video and you care about your credit. You want to improve your credit. That's number three. You know, you can start improving your credit with the smart credit success system that we have inside of MyEcon. And the thing I love about it, look, it's do it yourself. Why pay somebody $200, $300, $500 to fix your credit when you can do it yourself? Why pay monthly fees to these credit services companies, you know, when you can do it yourself? It's simple. Follow the steps. It's a strategy inside of MyEcon, laid out in plain English. Just follow the steps. There's nothing difficult about it. The thing about, you know, filling out that, doing the credit repair, is that maybe people are just lazy. They don't want to do it. They want to pay somebody to do it. They don't want to do it. And that's fine. If you want to pay somebody, you know, $500, then pay somebody $500 to do it. That's your prerogative. You can do that. But if you're like me, if you're already in debt, okay, why would you want to pay somebody $500? Excuse me. If you just corrected your W-4 form and now you say, well, I got an extra $500 a month now, I'm going to take that $500, I'm going to pay somebody to do my credit for me, fix my credit. Okay. So you paying somebody $500 one time, or maybe $500 a month, depending upon how they charge you. Okay, the money you just got back in your paycheck is gone again when you could be doing something yourself. Do as simple as filling that out and mailing in some papers yourself. Why give your personal information away to people that you don't know? Okay, this is something you can do yourself. I heard someone say that if you're not going to take care of your own finances, okay, if you're too lazy to take care of your own finances, then that's probably why you're in the shape that you're in, okay? If you're not handling your business, you know, then maybe that's why you're in the shape that you're in. And I'm not talking about you, but that's just the case. That's just the way it is. Because look, I can say that because I've been there. I know how you feel. I know exactly how you feel. I've been there. I use the smart credit system inside of MyEcon, and look, I'm debt free. Okay, I'm debt free. If I want to go get something, I can, but I choose not to because all of my vehicles are good. You know, my house is good. I'm investing now. Use that money wisely. Okay, three things. Those are the three tips. Three reasons why you should join MyEcon in 2019. To correct your W-4, give yourself a pay raise, and quit giving the government your money. Number two, start paying off debt, okay, which puts more money back into your household. Number three, fix your credit, which again puts more money back into your household because now you're not paying high interest rates on a vehicle you didn't want in the first place. You just had to take what they gave you or would allow you to have simply because you couldn't get what you wanted, but you needed a car, so you settled for that, but you're paying high interest rate in high car notes. It doesn't make sense. Okay, so I want to drop that in your lap this evening. You know, those are three reasons why I joined MyEcon. Okay, and those are three reasons why I think you should join MyEcon in 2019. Go ahead, join MyEcon 2019 right now. I'm waiting to help someone. Look, here's the thing. Don't worry about the business opportunity. Okay, don't worry about recruiting people. Work the strategies. Let me drop this in your lap, okay? It's going to cost you $50 to get started with MyEcon. And I see a lot of people, you probably, ooh, $50, that's a lot of money. Okay. If you're getting 200 back after you correct your W-4, what have you spent? You spent $50 to get $200 back. You spent $50 to get $200 back. Okay? Now each month it costs $35 per month to be a member of MyEcon. Now you're not even spending the $50 anymore. You're only spending $35, but you're getting $200 back. What if you was getting $600? What if you was getting $800? What if you and your spouse together were getting $1,200? Would $35 a month hurt you? Even if you were getting $200 back that you wasn't getting in the first place, would $35 a month hurt you? And the more you work and apply the strategies, the more money you bring it back into your house. $35 is going to hurt you? I don't believe so. It didn't hurt me. It helped me. I'm glad that I did it because it helped me to help my family. It helped me to get out of a situation that I didn't know how to get out of in the first place. Okay, so with that being said, there's a link below this video for you to join MyEcon right now. Okay, also, as I said before, if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe so you can receive other videos from me. Okay, like this video, share the video with somebody you know that may need this information if you don't want it yourself. And leave me a comment below if you got value from this video. And if you have any questions about MyEcon, my number will be below in the description as well, along with my Facebook link. You can connect with me on Facebook. If we want to talk about it first, then we can talk about it, okay? But apply the strategies. I'm going to do another video or later this week or maybe next weekend, actually talking about the business side of MyEcon a little bit more, and probably maybe a little bit more of the strategies and what we have inside of MyEcon. So with that being said, y'all have a great night tonight and a better day tomorrow. Peace.